Well, every good project has a few demo days. I believe we're on our 4th demo day. It should be our last, at least we're hoping. The complication actually that we ran into is pretty interesting. When we were removing the roof, we found that someone of the past had poured 3-4 inches of concrete on the existing timbers and then built an additional roof on top of that with a slant. Probably the original roof was leaking, so that was the sort of strategy that someone did in the past that we are now dealing with. So that was an unexpected sort of complication, and that took probably 2 days of demo to about 4 days of demo. But it is off. We're able to really see what is there, and we've already made some masonry repairs. So come check it out. So I'm excited to introduce Christian. Christian Elegy Homes are who we're partnering with for this addition and renovation project here in Philadelphia. And he is going to kind of speak to what we've done, what we've accomplished, and what next steps are.
Thanks. Elegy is a small carpentry company. We specialize in adaptive reuse projects and historic materials. So Natalie asked us to redo her kitchen and put a second story frame on it. One of the things we decided to offer was a timber frame. So she has these beautiful brick walls that are surrounding us right now. We decided to pop the roof off and put on a second story structure that was framed with locally sourced green red oak timbers. And that's going to be the next probably month and a half of work.
Yeah, so we are currently kind of prepping the top of the masonry wall to get as level a surface as possible, and maybe describe a little bit about how we're going to install those timbers and attach it to masonry.
Yeah, absolutely. So solid timbers and masonry are like a great pair together. They look amazing and they work together really well. So there's going to be an 8x12 sill plate with 6 inches of bearing running all the way around the top of this wall and then tying together right up against the house. That'll level off with the second story hallway, so the floor will run right into our finished floor continuous for the room up above. They get tied in with stainless steel anchors, and there's a little bit of a standoff to keep the moisture barrier between the wood and the masonry, but it's a pretty simple construction method. It's just not done very readily in the city, which is really exciting for us.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun with it. So we're excited to sort of show you the next step. I think it will be kind of momentous the day we sort of get that timber on these walls. So stay tuned.